market community, raise your glasses for the MOE Awards. Thank you, thank you, thank you all, thank you very much. I have the singular privilege and honor to welcome all of you to the 2024 edition of the Made of Africa Awards. And this is a very important opportunity for me to meet all of you at this time of the year. About 50 people in the room. And that tells you this is a club, not a nightclub, but a club of the best performers in the Nigerian Exchange Limited. Please put your hands together for yourselves. If you're in this room, if you're one of the nominee institutions or individuals, that means you have been duly recognized. That means you have made money in 2024. Everybody's keeping quiet. Because those who make money don't make noise. And those who make noise don't make money. So when I see quiet people, executives in a room, and they come together under the umbrella of the Nigerian Exchange Limited and the Exchange Group and its subsidiaries, then I know for a hot Thursday afternoon in the city of Lagos, 37 degrees Celsius, it means it's a due recognition for all your hard work, for being excellent, and for being compliant, and bringing the biggest deals to the Nigerian market. Please give yourself again another round of applause. We have 4 categories, and there are 20 winners that have been duly scrutinized by the Nigerian Exchange Limited to stand here this afternoon for this cocktail event. And this cuts across various segments of the market. And that is what makes this award very interesting. It's called Made of Africa Awards. And we have every reason to show that 2024 has been a profitable and a decent year for the Nigerian Exchange. Not just the Limited, the exchange itself, but also for the NGX Group. Please permit me to say a few recognitions, and let's put our hands together for the CEO of the Nigerian Exchange Limited, Mr. Jude Chiemeka. Let's also say a very big thank you to the CEO of NGX Regulation, Mr. Shobanjo. Where are you in the room? All right, thank you very much. Yes, I can see you. And then you have the President and Chairman of Council of the Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers. All right, thank you very much. Give me a round of applause, as well as the CEO of Network Capital. Thank you. We appreciate you being here. The Chairman of Ashon, Mr. Sam Onukwe. Mr. Sam, I think I saw. Oh, yes. Thank you very much. And the President of the doyen of the market, Alhaji Yusuf. Do we have Alhaji Yusuf here yet? I guess it's on the way. Let's give a round of applause, a very key figure in the market. Now we have Sam Ndata, another doyen of the market. Please give a round of applause. And that's the Republican doyen. So, thank you very much. That's the Republican doyen. Alhaji Yusuf is the Democrat doyen. So we have both sides. Let's also recognize Peter Medwoye, the CFO, Chief Financial Officer for CSCS. He's standing in for Aruna Jalo Waziri. If you're here, thank you very much for coming as a very key institution that help us to make the best of the market in terms of clearing, settlement, depository, and all of that. Let me hand over the microphone very quickly because we have the 2:30 closing bell to do the awards properly. Let me allow Jude Chiemeka. Give me a round of applause. Mr. Jude Chiemeka, the CEO of the Nigerian Exchange Limited, to give a very brief welcome address. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Today is really not a day of long speeches like they will say, but permit me to stand on already established protocols, and we're really delighted to have you join us today. So it's indeed my honor and privilege to welcome you to this year's Made of Africa Award ceremony. This award is not only a celebration of excellence, but also a testament to the resilience and innovation that drive Africa's capital markets. Today, we recognize the exceptional contributions of individuals as well as organizations who are shaping the future of markets and creating value across the continent. As we approach the end of 2024, it is essential to reflect on a remarkable year. Together, we have navigated economic headwinds and celebrated significant milestones that reaffirms our NGX leadership. This year, NGX achieved a market capitalization milestone of over 59 trillion naira, a 45% increase from the previous year. I think we deserve a good round of applause. Trading volumes have surged with over 120% on a year-on-year growth in equity transactions, driven by increased participation from retail investors who now account for a significant figure of our market activities. Our market has continued to attract international attention, with foreign portfolio investment reaching $200 million as at Q3 2024, underscoring global investors' confidence in the Nigerian capital markets. While 2024 has been a year of progress, it has not been without its challenges. Nigeria's economy grew by 3.2% in the first half of the year. This was spurred by resilience in non-oil sector growth. However, inflationary pressure, currency fluctuations have presented hurdles. Despite these challenges, the Nigerian capital market has proven to be a stabilizing force, offering investors a haven and issuers a reliable platform for raising much needed capital. The resilience is a testament to the robustness of our market structure and the collective efforts of all our stakeholders. As you're aware, the NGX is really a truly democratic institution, and we are a multi-asset exchange. And so we do have products across different asset classes. Our equities capital market cap is over 60 trillion naira, while our fixed income market cap is about 47 trillion naira. Our ETF, which is the second largest ETF in Africa, it's also in the region of 49 billion naira. Our achievements would not have been possible without the support of our partners. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Securities and Exchange Commission, whose regulatory oversight ensures the integrity of our market. To our intermediaries, listed companies, and the retail investors who participate in our market, thank you for your trust and commitment. A special acknowledgement goes to the Central Bank of Nigeria and the commercial banks for their pivotal roles in ongoing recapitalization process, which has seen already over 1.5 trillion naira in new capital raised across various sectors. Today's event is more than a celebration. It is a call to action. It highlights the individuals and organizations that exemplify excellence in innovation, governance, sustainability, and market leadership. These awards underscores NGX's commitment to showcasing the best of Africa and inspiring the next generation of leaders who will drive our markets forward. This year, we are proud to spotlight award recipients across critical categories, reflecting the diversity and dynamism of our ecosystem. As we look to 2025, we do so with huge optimism. The Nigerian Exchange Group is poised to capitalize on emerging opportunities from sustainable finance to digital asset allocation. And all of this is hinged on technology. Technology continues to be at the heart of our strategy, customer centricity, and we continue to innovate to ensure that our customers get the best for every engagement that they have with us at the NGS. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Our true strength lies in the power of collaboration. Someone asks, what is the singular word that you think is driving our performance? I'll say is collaboration. Uh, Collaboration, the drive for innovation, our collective commitment to excellence. It's really what we're about at the NGX. Thank you for your invaluable contributions to the growth of the capital market and contributions to all the deserving winners today. I say a huge congratulations. And for those who are not part of the winners, I would just encourage you to continue to innovate, and ultimately your performance will be acknowledged as you allow innovation to drive creativity and value creation for all the stakeholders that are concerned in our ecosystem. Thank you so much for coming, and I look forward to an exciting period while we're all here.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Jude Chemika, the CEO. What makes a winner is that there's a competition. And where there's a competition, it means there are many parties are competing. So I said, when I watch the final matches of any football engagement, I said, well, the two finalists are always winners, because definitely one party has to win. But all of you have contested very well. You have made the market very proud. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Let me quickly recognize the head of primary market at the NGX, Mr. Tony Ibeziako. Where are you? Thank you very much, standing right in front of me. As well as Abimbola Babalola, who is the head of trading and products at the NGX. Abimbola, I saw you in the room earlier. Okay, let's give him a round of applause. I'm sure he's somewhere there. Thank you very much. Now, let's move on very quickly to the first set of category one, those who are the nominees. And we have 5 nominees, and then we'll have an ultimate winner. In these categories are the best trustees in terms of deal value. The second is the market operator with the highest value of foreign portfolio investment transactions. The best solicitor in terms of value deals. Issuing house with the highest number of primary market transactions in the equity category, as well as the best sponsoring trading license holder of the year. Those are the 5 nominees in the first award category. And the winner is the best trustees in terms of deal value. Put your hands together for United Capital Trustees Limited. A round of applause, please. Let's give it to the winner. A round of applause, please, as they come out. Mr. Jude Chemika, the NGX CEO, is coming out, stepping out to present this award to United Capital Trustees Limited.
Shawty want $1 million. Say make a wire. Told me to wanna cover my love.
Please, a round of applause, a round of applause, a round of applause. Thank you very much. A round of applause to United Capital Trustees Limited, the best trustees in terms of deal value at the Mid of Africa Awards 2024. Thank you very much, Mr. Jude Chemika. We appreciate that so much. Thank you very much. Great, thank you. Okay, let's move on to the announcement of winners in category B. And we have 5 nominee institutions in this category as well. And the first is the Equity Trader of the Year. The second, the fund manager with the largest listed fund size. The third is the ETP's Trader of the Year. The fourth is the Fixed Income Trader of the Year. And the Derivatives Trader of the Year, which have 2 winners competing. Hold on a second. The winner in this category, the market operator with the highest value of foreign portfolio investment transactions. And that goes to Stanbic IBTC Stockbrokers Limited. Please give it up to Stanbic IBTC Stockbrokers Limited as the winner of the market operator with the highest value of foreign transactions, portfolio investment transactions. Please, Mr. Jude Chiemeka, the CEO of the NGX, should please step forward to present this award, as well as Mr. Femi Shobanjo, who is also the CEO of NGX Regulations. Mr. Shobanjo, please. Let's make progress into category C. We have 5 of the issuing house with the highest number of debt issuances in corporate bonds. We have the special recognition also for capital markets reportage. We have trading license holder with the highest new retail accounts onboarded. The third is the special recognition for capital market excellence in fixed income. And the fifth is the special recognition for capital market excellence in equity. And the winner is the best solicitor in terms of value of deals, Banwo and Igodalo. Please, a round of applause, a big round of applause for Banwo and Igodalo. Please, may we have the CEO of the NGX Limited, Mr. Jude Chiemeka, to please step forward. As well as, please, Mr. Jude, you'll be joined by Mr. Sam Onukwe on the podium, as well as Mr. Tony Beziako and Abimbola Babalola. Please, could you please, the NGX, join the CEO on the podium to make this presentation to Banwo and Igodalo.
Sometimes I catch your blessing. He did to show for face. He be like the HIV. Church for club. Kitchen for club.
Still in the first category is the issuing house with the highest number of primary market transactions in equity category. And that's the award that recognizes the issuing house that has the highest number of equities primary market transactions approved and listed on the exchange during the year under review. That's the issuing house with the highest number of primary market transactions, equity category. And that goes to Chapel Hill, Denham. Please, a round of applause to Chapel Hill, Denham. That's the Asian house with the highest number of primary market transactions in the equity category. Please give it to Chapel Hill, Denham. Stepping up to receive the award on behalf of Chapel Hill, Denham, our executives of the company. Please, Mr. Jude Chiameka would also be supported by Tony. Mr. Bimbola, if you're here. Thank you very much.
You have to wait till you reach your turn again. My head they hurt, my brain they touch. They don't use me back, so no time for love. I be bad boy too far. Baby, stand up, move on, a new girl is coming. And your presence is stunning. Stop playing, I see good love be money. If not be Jesus is coming.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's well appreciated. Let's move to the best sponsoring trading license holder of the year. And that's the sponsoring trading license holder with the highest rating in quality and completeness of documentation for listing applications. And that is the best sponsoring trading license holder of the year. And picking up this category or this particular award is Chapel Hill, Denham. The best sponsoring trading license holder of the year. Mr. Jude Chiameka will be making the presentation as well as Mr. Tony. Oh, Femi, please. Push it up, push it up, push it up. Thank you very much. Chapel Hill, Denham. Thank you, congratulations. Okay, we're moving to the second category. Now, that's the outstanding trading performance and the equity trader of the year. And I think this is one big one. This award recognizes the trading license holder with the highest value of trade in the equity market during the period under review. The equity trader of the year. And our equity trader for the year is Stanbic IBTC Stockbrokers Limited. Stanbic IBTC Stockbrokers Limited, please step forward for the Equity Trader of the Year Award at the Made of Africa Awards of the Nigerian Exchange.
Make me know the fight. I don't want to sleep alone. Wanna hold you tight. But I fool my eyes. But I'll be alright.
Femi, where are you? Yeah, we're waiting for you. Yes.
Say them go feel it. Them go run it down. Them go hold it. Them go. Say them go feel it. Them go run it down. Them go hold it. Them go. I'll be talking to myself.
Thank you very much, Stanbic IBTC Stockbrokers Limited, for that. Thank you very much for being the Equity Trader of the Year. Let's move on to the number 7, which is the fund manager with the largest listed fund size. And this award goes to the fund manager with the largest cumulative size of new funds, which are called the ETF, on the exchange and managed by the same fund manager for the year. And that goes to Ava Global Asset Managers Limited. Ava, where are you? Please give it to them. Please, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The fund manager with the largest listed fund size on the Nigerian Exchange Limited for the year at the MOA. Ava Global Asset Managers Limited. Please bring it on. much, Ava Global Asset Management. Thank you very much for that. Let's get the next award, which is the ETP's Trader of the Year. And that's awarded to the trading license holder with the highest value of trade in the bond market. I beg your pardon, during the period, that's for ETPs, the exchange traded funds. So this award for the ETP Trader of the Year goes to Vertiva Capital Management Limited. Vertiva Capital Limited, and that's the ETP Trader of the Year, Exchange Traded Products Trader of the Year. Vertiva Capital Management. Thank you very much. That's the Vertiva Capital Management is the winner of the ETP's Trader of the Year, is our ETP, Exchange Traded Products Trader of the Year. The Fixed Income Trader of the Year is awarded to the trading license holder with the highest value of trade in the bond market during the year under review. And this award to the Fixed Income Trader of the Year goes to Apple Asset Management. Apple Asset Management is the Fixed Income Trader of the Year. Apple? You are representative of Apple? Okay. Thank you. Now let's go to the Derivatives Trader of the Year, which is the next. And there are two winners in this particular level. Yeah, that's the Derivatives Trader of the Year. Thank you very much. And our Derivatives Trader of the Year is APT Securities and Funds Limited. That's one of the winners. A round of applause to APT Securities. And the second winner is the Codros Securities Limited. Please, a round of applause for APT Securities as well as Codros Securities Limited. Mr. Jude, Chairmaker, as well as Femi, please, would you kindly step forward to make these presentations to APT Capital Securities Limited and Codros Securities Limited. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. APT Securities Limited and Codros Securities Limited. Those are the Derivatives Trader of the Year, the two institutions in that category. Thank you very much, everyone. Now we've come to the special recognitions category. For the special recognitions category, we have the Asian house with the highest number of debt issuances at the corporate bonds. And this award recognizes the Asian house with the highest number of new debts, which are corporate transactions approved and listed on the exchange in the year 2023. The Asian house with the highest number of debt issuances in corporate bonds. And this award goes to FCMB Capital Markets Limited. FCMB Capital Markets Limited is the Asian house with the highest number of debt issuances in corporate bonds for the year 2023. It's coming. Wait for it. Wait for it. Thank you very much. Femi, please. Thank you. very much. Thank you. So we have, under the special recognition category, the Capital Market Reportage Special Recognition. And this award recognizes media organizations that have contributed significantly to promoting capital market activities and shaping public opinion about the markets. And this award goes to the Capital Markets Correspondents Association of Nigeria, CAMCAN. Do we have a representative of the Capital Markets Correspondents Association of Nigeria to step forward for this award? All right, thank you very much. Here they come. Mr. Abimbola Babalola, are you here as well? All right, thank you. Here he comes. Kindly support the, and at the end of the day, where is, oh, Tony's here. Oh, okay, thank you.
Follow my command, like zombie. Go down on me, you with your coca body. Cause this your milky for front enough for me. Hold on for me, I know go to me.
Thank you for your contributions to capital markets, information and reportage. Now we have come to the trading license holder with the highest new retail account onboarded. And that's the trading license holder with the highest new retail account onboarded. Now, this award recognizes the stockbroking firm that onboarded the most retail investors in the market for the year under review, which was 2023. The stockbroking firm that onboarded the most retail investors to the market for the year. Please wait for it. And this goes to Lambeth Capital Limited. Lambeth Capital Limited is the trading license holder with the highest new retail account onboarded. Congratulations. Okay, Tolu and Afis, where are you? Okay, Tolu and Afis. Tolu and Afis. Yes, please step forward. Thank you.
Will you give me sugar?
Lambeth Capital Limited for being the institution that onboarded the most retail investors for the Nigerian market for the year 2023. Thank you very much. That's it. Well done. Now, we have come to the category for a special recognition for capital excellence in the equities segment. And this is awarded to, this goes to the company with the most listed companies on the Nigerian exchange. And this is very significant, ladies and gentlemen. This is the special recognition for capital excellence in equity. And now, let's find out who goes home with this particular award. The special recognition for capital market excellence goes to Transnational Corporation PLC. Transcorp PLC is the company with the most what has been made, presented by Mr. Jude Chiemeka, as well as the president of the Association of Stockbroking Houses of Nigeria, Ashon. Please, Mr. Sam, please step forward.
If you know, you know. But if you don't know, you know.
And we're making progress to the 16th award. And that's the best issuer in terms of fixed income listings in number and value. And this award goes to the issuer that has listed the highest number of volume and value of fixed income transactions or securities on the exchange for the period under review. That's the highest number of volume and value of fixed income securities that we have on the NGX for the year under review. So the best issuer in fixed income listings is the debt management. We have a representative of the debt management office, the debt management office. Thank you very much. Let's give a round of applause, please. May we have the doyen to also join us, join the CEO for the presentation to the Debt Management Office of Nigeria, a special recognition for capital market excellence in fixed income issuance on the Nigerian exchange. Please, a round of applause for the Debt Management Office. For the president of the CIS joins the all right, the next at the awards, we're getting to some of the key areas that the exchange and any exchange and the market as a whole takes very, very important. And that comes to compliance. And there is any, in fact, in football, that's why you have the FIFA, because the issue is you have to comply with the rules of the game. So whether you are issuers, you are solicitors, you're a debt issuer, you're equity trader, you're trading fixed income, whatever you're doing in the market, compliance is very, very key. And the Nigerian exchange takes compliance very seriously. So the most compliant trading license holder is the organization with the highest level of compliance with the rules of the exchange, which is the trading license holders' rules. The most compliant trading license holder for the year under review. Hold on a second. Give me some music.
Now only me one life. See as we day like beans and rice. I will never leave your side. I will never ever. I dedicate my time to you, my guy. Even if the road be rough, I don't mind. 'Cause you be my key for life.
Okay. Now I am compliant. Now let me announce the most compliant trading license holder. And that is Network Capital Limited, the most compliant trading license holder on the Nigerian NGX for 2023. Please step forward and let's have the CEO supported by the president of the CIS. For the most compliant trading license holder on the Nigerian exchange for 2023.
So far, so good.
thank you, thank you. That goes to all our winners here at the most Made of Africa Awards. And this, we're making the most of the time. Let's go to the most compliant listed company for the year 2023. And this award recognizes the listed company with the highest level of compliance with the rules of the exchange. Those are what you call the issuer's rules without incurring any penalties. And I'm trying to understand, is there any club side that never incur penalties? Very rare, isn't it? Now you have that company here on the exchange. That's where we're awarding them. Thank you very much, my doyen. And this goes to Geregu Power PLC. Please put it up for the most compliant listed company on the Nigerian Exchange Limited for the year 2023, Geregu Power PLC. And representing the chairman and the CEO of the company here to make the award happen. The most compliant listed company on the Nigerian Exchange, Geregu Power PLC. All power, give it to Geregu Power. Girl power, girls have power. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Geregu Power. Thank you for being the most compliant company of the year of the Nigerian Exchange Limited. Now we're getting to the heart of it all. And this is an award for the Broker of the Year. And this is awarded to the trading license holder with the highest value of trades. The Broker of the Year for the NGX Made of Africa Awards 2024 is none other than Stanbic IBTC Stockbrokers Limited. Please give it up to Stanbic IBTC Stockbrokers Limited, the equity or the Broker of the Year. Broker of the Year. The broker. And this goes across all the asset classes. Can we have Femi? Thank you. Thank you.
Cover face like Nagbaja. Get feel like we know they come. Sit up, boss them, tap, tap, tap. Pass for the shit, Rababa. Omo Ijo, Rababa. Feeling good, banana. Music don't need permission to enter your spirit. Anyway, anyhow.
Our Broker of the Year, Stanbic IBTC Stockbrokers Limited, for being with the highest value of trades across all asset classes, and that's Stanbic IBTC Stockbrokers Limited. Congratulations. Now we have come to the Listing of the Year Award. The Listing of the Year Award. And this award, of course, recognizes the company with the highest value of new listing in the period under review. The company with the highest value of new listing in the review period. And this goes to Aradel Holdings PLC. Aradel Holdings PLC. Thank you. Let's have Aradel Holdings PLC team come forward for this award. The president of Ashon, as well as the Doyen, to join the CEO of the NGX with his team for this presentation of the listing of the year in equity that goes to Aradel Holdings PLC. Please give it up, give it up, give it up, get it up for Aradel Holdings PLC. Congratulations. Thank you. Now let's have the CEO of the NGX take just a one-on-one with the Aradel Holdings. Yes.
I say la campagne tropicana. Me I don't dey, I dem take the marijuana. Joanna, Juba, di biomo Ghana. Onjo Omlando fún mi, mo ya gbé lọ Skoda.
Let me piggyback a little bit to the fixed income trader of the year. And that award goes to the trading license holder with the highest value of trades in the bond market during the period under review. And that award was announced for APL Asset Limited. Do we have a representative of APL Asset Limited as the fixed income trader of the year? Congratulations, madam. The CEO of the NGX, Mr. Jude Chiemeka, and Mr. Bimbola Babalola will make the presentation and the photograph. April Asset Management Limited, congratulations as being a fixed income trader of the year under review. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Congratulations. Fixed income.
Money, talking about me while I'm making money. I'm not gonna take it easy on my head. Not gonna take it easy on my head. Not gonna.
So before we get to the group photographs with the award winners, with the CEO and his team, I will make a few remarks. And we're going to have all the awardees for the closing gong ceremony at 2:30, just in about 30 minutes from now. So keep that in mind. So please, we encourage all the awardees to please stay behind, because on the floor, you're going to lift up your awards for this very special occasion of the year 2024 Made of Africa Awards of the Nigerian Exchange. Please, ladies and gentlemen, as we begin to wind down and wind together, please give your hands together to Mr. Olufemi Shobanjo, the CEO of NGX Regulation. For his closing remarks. And you know, this is the inside man, what we call the cop, the headmaster. Thank you, my Doyen, the headmaster. Please give me a round of applause. And you all know that without regulation, like in football, and I keep going to that, there is no fair game. There is no equity. There is no standards. So regulation is important in every endeavor of our human life, from your driver's license to your trading license. This is the man who ensured that we play by the rule. It's our FIFA man at the NGX Limited. Please, we want to have your closing remarks.
Thank you very much. And good afternoon once again. Let me start by saying congratulations to everyone here. I think there are no losers today. We're all winners. We're all winners. I want to congratulate you. 2024 has been an excellent year. It's been a really rewarding year for the capital market. And this is a charge for everyone that in the new year, in 2025, is to even move up and do better, take it a step further. You've been called to excellence. It's about raising the bar a bit higher. So let me thank everyone from all the listed companies here, all the trading license holders, whether it's by trading, whether it's by compliance. Like I said, we're all winners. We're in the festive period, so this is really a time for celebration for everyone. So let me wish everyone a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. And congratulations. This is not a time for speeches, it's a time for us to celebrate. So let's continue to drink and be merry. Well done and congratulations to everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Olufemi Shobanjo, the CEO of NGX regulation. Let me just give a few house rules, because at the trading floor, please remember that the winners will be on the floor. And please remember, ladies and gentlemen, only one individual from each of the winning organizations should please come to the podium for the closing gong. So please kindly decide that within the next few minutes, and that means we're expecting all of you, the awardees, but at least one individual from each organization to make it easy for us.
JB, how far? You dey hear me? JB. You dey hear me? Why
plenty. There's no shaking, we're strong and solid. We stay focused, the goal is the thing. There's no relenting, never ready. We march, we march, we march, we march, you know. I'm on the forward, we dey go. Steady on the road. We know where we dey go. We got it, got it, got it. Got it, got it. Shining through the dark. Reaching for the stars. This is who we are.
Good afternoon, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Please, may the winners join us. One representative from the recipients to join us here, please.
Hope you are not bidding. Are you sure? No, not interested.
I think we can just start. Good afternoon again. The Doyen Africa Award we hold annually, where we recognize our partners that have made significant contribution to the growth of our capital market. This year is particularly a year of gratitude. It's been a good year despite the headwinds. The market is up 31.8% as at yesterday, and I'm sure it close up again today. Hopefully, we'll see that by the close of trading. Total value of trade year to date is at 2.6 trillion naira, which is almost more than double what we did last year. Our daily value of trade is now at 11 billion naira. And truly, we are now a multi-asset exchange. Our equities market cap is now 60 trillion naira. And our fixed income market cap is 47 trillion naira. While our ETF, the second largest ETF market in the world, is now at 28 billion naira. That said, I think all the various reforms the government is doing continues to drive foreign participation. Foreign participation on our market last year was 11%. Year to date, we're now at 18%, which is a good sign. Q3, over $200 million have come through our market. So the capital market continues to be what it is, the bedrock for growth and development. And with all these positive figures, one can only be grateful and show gratitude to our partners who are up here, our market ecosystem, who have made these significant contributions and made our market to really survive all the headwinds despite inflation, despite the devaluation. We continue to trade as a liquid market in Africa. $7 million a day across African market is not a mean feat. And we're really grateful to our partners that we see here. That said, I'd like us to really encourage ourselves because we really do deserve a huge round of applause. So up here at the podium are people, houses, individuals who have made significant contribution this year and have been rewarded accordingly. And so this is the last phase of the ceremony where we then now come to close the market. Because everyone here is important, not all the people that are up here are our market ecosystem. You do realize that we now trade remotely. And so we have a lot more people who are responsible for all the positives that are going on in our market. So we're truly all winners. But obviously, in a football match, you definitely have to have a winner. And these are the winners for 2024. We have about 7 minutes before the close of the market. What I will do is to hand over the microphone to all our winners here, let them introduce themselves so that the market can become aware of their houses and their names as we go into the new year so you know who to beat.
Thank you very much. I would like to thank the management of the stock exchange. My name is Bumi Olanrioye, representing Stanbic IBTC Stockbrokers, the broker of the year. So thank you to the exchange. We couldn't have done it alone. The partnership, the engagement, the collaboration have all come to pay off. So we thank you, we thank the exchange, we thank the associations, and we look forward to a prosperous 2025 and more of this to come. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chinyere Joy Onwokoma. I'm the chairman of the Capital Market Correspondents Association of Nigeria. So I'm representing the media that is covering the capital markets. I want to thank the exchange for the honor for recognizing the media. It's like the CEO has said, it has been challenging this year. But our prayer is that as we enter the new year, by God's grace, it's going to be better for every one of us. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Akim Shadare. I work for Chapel Hill. On behalf of my firm and fellow colleagues, I would like to thank the Nigerian Stock Exchange. We still believe that there are so many opportunities ahead of us. Nigeria is still very cheap, and I believe this is just the beginning. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Stanley Chikwendu, representing Transnational Corporation PLC. We want to thank the exchange for not just the platform, but for the honor. We thank all our stakeholders, our investors, the traders, the markets generally for their support. Thank you very much.
Yes, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Solomon Igberise, representing United Capital Trustees. I want to thank NGX for the recognition, and we want to give our management's commitment to, of course, further collaboration, and again, our commitment to be bigger and better. Thank you very much.
Good day, all. My name is Maurice Wankwo. I'm representing Ms. Onia, Director of Debt Management Office, Nigeria. I thank the NGS for the award and for the collaboration in spite of the dynamics in the macroeconomic environment, which is being moderated by the reforms. I believe in the coming year, there will be collaboration will be strengthened and the market will move forward. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. My name is Lanre Puluro, Managing Director at Chapel Hill Denham. We'd like to thank the management of the NGX, ably led by Jude, our doyen, and our fellow brokers for the opportunity for the recognition. This year has been quite tough. I think all of my colleagues on the podium have expressed as much, but the resilience of the Nigerian is very commendable, and we continue to thrive. I'm also here representing Aradel. The management team had to leave early. In addition to what we did with one of the advisors working with Stanbic on Aradel, we promised to bring similar more listings to the exchange in the new year. I just recently arrived from the UK where we just printed $2.2 billion Eurobond for the federal government of Nigeria. And I can tell you we'll be listing that on this floor next year. So look forward to 2025.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Temitope Adeosun. I'm representing Ipel Assets. I want to thank the Nigerian Stock Exchange for this great privilege and for the honor as the fixed income trader of the year 2024. To stand on this podium, it's a great honor and a great privilege for us all at Ipel Assets. And we want to assure the NGX of our commitment to the growth of the capital market. Thank you.
Good afternoon, the CEO, my doyen, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I'm wearing two caps today, one as the President Chairman of Council at Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers, and the other as the MD of Network Capital Limited, the award winner. Thank you. Thank you. Let me just say that by 2029, CIS will be the most preferred certifications in Nigeria. That is what our... So I want you now to go out and be telling people, young graduates, to start writing our exams. If truly we are going for $1 trillion economy, you know that we cannot rely on 3,500 stockbrokers. So we need so many stockbrokers in Nigeria. That is that. Having said that, let me just thank the leadership of this exchange for sustaining this award. That's number one. And number two, let me just promise that we'll continue to improve on our processes, and next year we'll win again. Thank you, everybody. God bless you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I stand on all existing protocols. I'm Yamo Morigwe. I'm the co-founder of Bamboo and representing our partnership with Lambeth Capital. Very big thank you to the NGX for the award for the broker that has added the most retail accounts. Hopefully we continue to do more. We plan to add on a lot more accounts and to continue to use technology to grow and scale the market. So this is just the beginning, and thank you all very much.
Good afternoon, city gentlemen. I'm a winner because they are all winners. So we are all winners. Mine is to congratulate all the winners and to urge all of you to keep it up. The market is waiting for you, and the market is there to make you more winners. Congratulations.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mohammed Jami Kadi. I trade for APT Securities and Funds Limited. We thank Nigerian Stock Exchange for this award. We have done it, we are doing it, we are going to continue to do it. Thank you.
Let's hold it there. Let's hold it there as we count down to close the market, and then we'll come back to continue. Go chair around. She's always good at helping me with the countdown. And there's no better time than today than for all of us to join in the countdown as we close the market for today. Thank you very much. So let's continue with where we stopped.
Yeah, good afternoon, city gentlemen and the guests. Abiodun Adeniro is my name. I represent Vertiva. this is an opportunity to appreciate the honor and award given to us by NGX and the management team. We appreciate all that you do. We know that the result of hard work is more work. We pledge to do more and also to earn more than what we currently earn. Our name is synonymous with ETFs, and I believe we can do more than that. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dan Ugoke, and I'm the Managing Director of RenCap Securities. So I'm here on behalf of international brokers. We've been in this market for over 17 years, supporting the market. So I thank the exchange for this honor of coming up here to facilitate with the winners. And we hope that the road will be clearer from now, and I think from next year, we're going to have a stronger market and hopefully a stronger presence of foreign investors in this market. So I wish to assure the exchange that we will continue to support the market on a permanent basis. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. Let me start by congratulating the winners. My name is Abimbola Abala. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Congratulations to all the winners. My name is Tony Beziako. I head primary markets. Compliments of the season.
Let me also use this opportunity to thank some of my ESCO members who have worked tirelessly to ensure that we've had a seamless market. We have not had a single down day in this market in the last 5 years. So I'd like to recognize Afiz Ramoni, who heads our DDI, as well as Tulu Ajayi, who heads our infrastructure. It's Ghost Time here. Ghost Time heads our listings, and Chinedu heads our broker dealer. I'm sure he doesn't need any introduction. Obviously, we couldn't have done all of this without one figure that is always behind the scene. So I'd like to also recognize, I'm sure he's looking away. He knows I'm going to call him. Mr. Clifford, the ace man. And his team, they do a great job at exchange to ensure that each time we have functions and activities, it's always seamless. You think you're somewhere else. You can't see the power blinking or the microphones not working. Thank you so much. So at this time, I would like to call on the doyen of the market for his final remarks.
Thank you. Still our own Jude Jamaica. Thank you for what you are doing for the exchange. And when you have started it, this throne, as I should call it, I said, yes, your youthfulness will lead us to a very big height and not make a mistake. And I will also thank you for something I noticed that you have been doing rightly. Each time people come to the exchange, you will explain to them where we have been and where we have been, we have moved to now. Because sometimes I'll go out as a doyen, they say, these are elite club and all that. You try to dismiss that aspect of knowledge that is inside the society and all that. So, and well, thank you for what you have done and how you have been handling the exchange since you came to this platform. And for the winners, I congratulate you all for what you have done. I know you have given your word that you will do better than what you did this year. And you can see that exchange is not the type that you do all and they eat all. No. They want to recognize you and give you what belongs to you. And when I know that when a blind man is saying, if you stone me, I stone you, the stone is already in his foot. You have been saying next year will be better than this year, which means you know how you normally catch your excellent performance, and you will do it better next year. And we know there's no long speech in the evening service. At least we will say we're all winners. Like the father of the house, Aishon, said, you are all winners. If he has said so, I don't have to counter that, because as a father, he knows that we are all winners. The president is wearing 2 caps today. At least he has one, and he's a president. And he has said the number of persons he wants to bring in to the market. And the CEO, sir, I thank you, because they say when an old woman cooks beans, they call it akeda in my place, akede. Very well, you pat them at the back to say you have cooked well, so that by next time, they cook a better akede. Congratulations, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. And I recognize the presence of my doyen now that we are ending. Thank you. If you have to say. Okay. And we'll sing family songs for them to encourage them to say they have done well. And Prof will take that from me, like I've seen it. And we'll thank God for the doyen coming. At least you can see that it's doing well. Thank you.
Sorry, Mr. Ndata, before you proceed with the family song, let's just hear a word from the doyen, who is the oldest practicing stockbroker in our market.
Thank you very much, the MD. Well, I stand by everything that has been said by my assistant doyen. I just want to add one more point, and that is, it is not an easy thing to be the winner of the NGX accolade for the whole of 2024. It also comes with some responsibilities, and that is, you now have to also encourage other people within and outside your group to do exactly as you have done, and to also come and be part of this market. Because if you really want to make progress, you can't make progress by being alone. You have to get other people to be with you. It is a teamwork, and therefore you have to draw other people like yourself to come and do exactly what you are doing, so that as a crowd, we can move the exchange forward, we can move Nigerian economy forward, and we can be where we all want to be. I congratulate you, and I thank the NGX also for at least recognizing a performer and rewarding a performer accordingly. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.
The CEO of the Nigerian Exchange and his management team, the CEO of NGX Reshco, the President and Chairman of Council of the Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers, the Chairman of ASHAN, all the award winners, especially the mega award winner, IBTC, more grease on your elbows. I also recognize each and everyone on the podium there, and also our partners in progress, the financial press. And my doyen, sir, bigger recognition to you because the sacrifice you have made in coming is really astonishing. You are welcome, sir. And so on that note, it gives me great pleasure to request the permission of my doyen again that we all rise and hold our hands as one unbroken capital market family to sing our family song for all these esteemed winners today after the count of 3. Thank you. I almost forgot. 1, 2, 3. For they are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good fellows. And so say all of us, hooray! And so say all of us, hooray! And so say all of us, hooray! They are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good fellows. And so say all of us. 3 hearty cheers. First, in honor of the awardees. Second, for our beloved Nigerian exchange. Third and final for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Hip, hip, hip! Hey! Hip, hip, hip!
Closing prayer.
Let us pray. Let us pray. Almighty God, we thank you for a day such as this. We thank you, everlasting Father, for the NGX, for the management of the NGX, for their recognition of excellence. Almighty God, we also thank you for the efforts that have been put in by the winners. And we pray, Father, that we have even more winners in the coming year. Thank you, King of Kings. Thank you, Lord of Lords. In Jesus' name we pray.
Ọdún yẹn.